कर रही हूँ and I'm going to share the screen. चलो. Yes. So again, today we are going to start with the beginning of the chapter, The Rat Trap by Salma Lagerlof. Now, the theme is already given to us in the beginning. Essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through understanding and love. So every human being is by default very good. Yes. So we need to show that empathy and sympathy to awake, to make the person realize of his inherent qualities of love and understanding. Yes. Okay. So Akshat, will you read this? The introduction about the author?
Yes, ma'am. Selma Otilia Louisa Lagerlof. And what is this?
Lagerlof. Lagerlof.
Lagerlof. 20 November 1858 to 16 March 1940 was a Swedish author and teacher. She published her first novel, Costa Berling's Saga, at the age of 33. She was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize in Literature, which she was awarded in 1909. Additionally, she was the first woman to be granted a membership in the Swedish Academy in 1940.
Yes, thank you, Akshat. So we already talked about that the lady was very uh, means efficient in the sense that she was the first woman who was given a membership in the Swedish Academy in 1914, the academy which was dominated by male members. Yes, so this is a small mind map of the rat trap. The rat trap, as the word goes, is talking about the trap that we generally lay for catching rats. So this rat trap is now talking about the rat trap or at the universal level, that all the materialistic possessions that we run after are a kind of bait. Bait क्या होता है? What is a bait? What is a bait? Anyone? Mohit, Chiran, Akshat. What is a bait?
Where it is?
Yes?
Ma'am, where it is written, ma'am?
No, it is not written. I am talking about it. It will come soon in the chapter. Bait means आपको पता है आप चारा डालते हो मतलब जो ये आप ये जो चीज का पीस रखते हो rat trap में, that is a bait that attracts the rat to be caught in the trap. So all these materialistic possessions are those bait that catch us in the rat trap, the trap of possessions, the trap of jealousy, the trap of the things that we despise in others. Right? So now this is a story about a rat trap where a peddler, a person is there who is roaming from one place to another. He has no permanent place and he is in the profession of making rat traps and selling them. Yes. So rat trap seller, Chiransh beta read these pointers.
Yes, ma'am. Rat trap seller, poverty-stricken life, clothes in rags, sunken cheeks, hunger gleamed in his eyes, begging, petty thievery, making and selling.
Yes, continue.
I'm rat trap seller, tramp, vagabond, stranger, peddler.
Yes. So the firstly we have been given the character of rat trap. The rat trap is power having a poverty-stricken life, means he is extremely poor. His clothes are in rags. Rags means they are torn. Sunken cheeks, his cheeks are inside. Due to extreme poverty, he is not having a full meal. Hunger gleamed in his eyes. Yes. Okay. So what does he do? He begs sometimes. Sometimes he steals. And at other times he tries to make and sell the rat traps. So he is also known as rat trap seller. Tramp. Tramp means who is jobless. Somebody is not having a permanent job. Vagabond means somebody who's traveling from one place to another. No home. Stranger. Peddler. Peddler once again means that somebody who is not having any permanent source of income. Yes. The one who is roaming from one door to another to sell his things. That is also peddler. So, unwanted joy of rat trap seller. So he has found out a philosophy that I just explained, that materialistic possessions are a bait to catch hold of people. The moment they are attracted to these materialistic possessions, they are caught in the rat trap of the world, the universe. So this is his entertaining thought. Mohit, better read this part.
Ma'am, unwanted joy of rat trap seller. Entertaining thought. The whole world is a big rat trap. Is a big rat trap with lands and seas, cities and villages, baits, riches, joy, shelter, food, heat, and clothing.
Yes, did you get this word bait? Bait means फंसाने वाली चीजें जिससे किसी को अट्रैक्ट करके रैट ट्रैप में या जाल में फंसाया जा सकता है, राइट? सो द होल वर्ल्ड is a big rat trap according to him, that the whole universe is a big rat trap, and all these materialistic possessions that we run after are a kind of bait that hold us to this rat trap. Yes, so now we have met the first character who is a rat trap seller, right? Now we are now going to meet an old crofter. Yes, Mohit, better read firstly the meaning of crofter.
Okay. A crofter was somebody who rented a small farm with a plot of land and living in the house on it. A tenant farmer who was paid his tenancy with manpower instead of cash. Old crofter, only without wife or children, welcomed rat trap seller, shared the supper of
Porridge.
porridge, and shared the tobacco, played modulus. Sorry, ma'am. Played modulus too. Supported by his cow. Last month he got 30 kroner from creamery.
Are you
Sure.
speaking? You are properly audible.
Ma'am, now I'm audible.
मैम आपकी
Ma'am,
वॉइस
now-
ब्रेक हो रही है.
Yes, ma'am. Chiransh, am I audible?
हाँ आवाज आ रही है.
ठीक है भाई.
Mohit, continue बेटा.
मैम आपकी वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी हो रही है?
Old crofter. नहीं मैम, अब तो ठीक है.
अब देखो, I think it is fine now.
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Mohit, continue बेटा.
Ma'am, lonely, without wife or children, welcomed red trap seller, shared supper of porridge, shared tobacco, played modulus. Generous with confidences too. Supported by his cow, last month he got 30 kroner from creamery, showed his desk where he kept the money.
Yes, thank you, Mohit. So now we came to know that there is an old crofter. Crofter is somebody who rents a small piece of land to a person, and that person doesn't pay amount for that rent. अगर हम किसी को रेंट पे रखते हैं तो वो हमें अमाउंट देते हैं ना कि वो हमारे घर में रह रहे हैं. Here the person pays by his labor. He works on the farm and pays the amount in the form of manpower. Right? So this old crofter is really lonely. So one day when he meets the rat trap seller, he becomes very happy that somebody is there to accompany him. Because he has no wife or children, so he welcomes the rat trap seller. Yes, Chiransh.
मैम एक क्रॉफ्टर वाला मीनिंग एक और बार बता दो प्लीज.
बेटा crofter means जैसे मेरे पास एक फार्म लैंड है, ठीक है, मैंने वो फार्म लैंड आई कांट टेक केयर ऑफ इट, सो आई हैव पुट इट ऑन टू लेट. Right now Chiransh comes to me that I want a farmland for making my earning, right? For getting something, I am jobless, so I want that farmland. I can take care of the animals. So what he's going to do, animals are mine, everything is mine, right? But he is going to look at he is going to take care, Chiransh is going to take care of all the animals. He is going to sow the land, and whatever profit comes, that profit is going to be my fees. As a tenant, whatever he had to pay me is going to be paid by that thing that he is growing up.
But ma'am, what about his hard work, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
His hard work, with his hard work, he'll be getting something to eat and survive, na? He's paying by that manpower only, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, this old crofter was lonely without any wife or children, so he welcomed the new guest, the rat trap seller. Even he shared the supper. Supper means the dinner at the time of night of porridge. Porridge क्या होता है? Porridge क्या होता है, boys? What is porridge?
Meat.
Dalia. Porridge is dalia. So he shared the supper of porridge. He shared his tobacco also for smoking, and he played the game Majolis. Majolis is a kind of game like we play Ludo and all. So generous, and he was so much means innocent that he trusted the rat trap seller too much. Told him that how he was supporting himself, that he was supported by his cow. His cow used to give enough milk, that he was able to sell that milk and keep for himself also. Last month he got 30 kronor. Kronor is the name of currency. So he got 30 kronor from Creamery. अब ये Creamery क्या है?
Cream Industries.
Yes, the industry selling cream. So he sold the cream and milk to that industry, and he got 30 kronor as the amount. So he even trusted the rat trap seller so much that he showed him the place where he hid his money. हम किसी को दिखाते हैं अपने घर में हम अपने पैसे कहाँ, अपनी ज्वेलरी पैसे कहाँ छुपा के रखते हैं, स्पेशली अ पर्सन whom we don't know. नोन को भी नहीं बताते, गेस्ट को भी नहीं पता होता, जो हमारे नोन रिलेटिव्स होते हैं. डू दे नो where is the jewelry kept, or where is the money kept, where is the locker?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
And see the confidence of this man, how trustworthy he feels the rat trap seller to be, that he tells him where he generally keeps the money. अब क्या predict करो क्या होगा? एक ऐसा person that he is all the time begging, he is all the time stealing. So when that person comes to know about the place where 30 kronors are kept, what will he do next?
Ma'am, he will steal.
Yes, he will steal. So he does the same, and he regrets it later on. So now he's caught in the trap, baited by money. So what is the bait in this case?
Excuse
Money.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Chiransh.
मैम ऐसे एक सेम रिलेटेड चैप्टर 10th क्लास में भी तो था ना?
Yes, ma'am.
The thief story. The thief
Yes,
story.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
नहीं, beta, the thief story was having only 2 characters. Here the story is going to be a bit more complex afterwards. Here he is not going to return the money now. अभी उसे realize नहीं होगा कि वो क्या गलती कर रहा है. He would be realizing it later on with some other characters coming up with some other situation, right?
Okay, ma'am.
In that story we read about Anil and Hari Singh. Hari Singh was able to realize his mistake because he understood the importance of teaching or learning writing and reading with the help of Anil. So he realized that how Anil was so much trustworthy. He was trusting everyone so blindly, and he was not even bothering about his own things. That brought a change. Here in this case, the situation will be similar, but this change will be brought by some other character, not by this crofter. So now, Akshat, read this part. Akshat?
Ma'am, here
Yes,
rat
ma'am.
trap. Ma'am,
Mohit says, yes, Mohit.
ma'am, in the given lines on top, ma'am, caught in the trap, baited by money.
Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
rat trap is the mouse, and he
Rat
was
trap
caught.
is rat trap is the trap in which he has caught. The mouse is actually the peddler, that is the rat trap seller, and
Yes,
money is the bait. Money वो चारा है जिसके थ्रू से पकड़ लिया गया, that he is caught.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and he realizes it very soon. Yes, Akshat, read. Akshat?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Caught in the trap, baited them, lost in wind and confusing forest. Strangely paths 61 had been walking around the same path. The whole forest like impenetrable prison. Fooled and caught by the weight, increased gloom and despair.
Yes, thank you, Akshat. So what happens after stealing the money from old crofter? This man, this rat trap seller runs away from there. And to avoid the he intentionally avoids the main road from the fear of being caught. And now he takes the path of the forest. So when he enters the forest, he finds that the forest is very confusing, extremely big. The paths are twisted here and there, and every time he is finding himself at the same place after some time. भूल भुलैया देखी है आपने कभी? मेज देखा है कि कैसे भूल भुलैया में एक पॉइंट पे घूम के आप वापस उसी पॉइंट पे आ जाते हो इतना दूर जाने के बाद भी?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So the same happens with the man, and then he realizes that he has been trapped in this situation because he showed greed. He showed curiosity towards a materialistic possession. So ये जो realization है ना, fooled and caught by the bait, he realizes it very soon that he has become a rat who has been caught by the rat trap by keeping a bait of money.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Chiransh.
मैम बेट का एक और बार मीनिंग बता दो.
बेट मतलब जो आप चारा रखते हो, मतलब जो फंसाने के लिए रखते हो ना, that is called bait.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So bait means actually the thing that is there kept in the trap to catch hold of the target. Yes, the food or something, it can be anything. So now he realizes that this forest is the rat trap and he has been caught in this forest because he showed his interest in money. He showed his interest in the bait, and that's why, just like a rat, he has been caught. So the moment he realizes this, he becomes really sad. Yes, gloom means upset, despair, hopeless. So he feels very sad and hopeless that now he will die in this forest only. There will be no way to move out of the forest. Right now, in the forest only, he moves near the mill, an iron work, जो आपने वो देखा होगा, what do you call in Hindi? Karkhana. Yes, so there was an iron works area, Ramshaw Iron Works. Chiransh, read this part.
Yes, ma'am. I'm smelting in a process of applying heat to ore in order to extract the base metal. Rolling is a process in which metal is passed through one or more pair of rolls to reduce the thickness and to make the thickness uniform. The concept is similar to the rolling of dough. Frogging is a
Frogging
manufacturing
nahi,
process.
forging. It is not frogging, forging.
Forging is a manufacturing process involving the shaping of metal. The blows are delivered with hammer, often a power hammer.
अब देखो, आपने ये जनरली काम देखा होगा जहां पे भी वेल्डिंग का काम होता है, you must have seen this all. Smelting is a process where the heat is applied to such an extent that the actual metal comes out and all the impurities or the other materials mixed with it are removed. रोलिंग जैसे डो को आपने देखा है, आटे को जब गूंदा जाता है तो उसे कैसे रोल में बना दिया जाता है. उसके बाद आपने हलवाइयों को देखा होगा जैसे वो डो को पीसेस में डिवाइड कर लेते ताकि वो उससे चपाती या भटूरा जो भी कुछ बनाना है बना पाए. हैव यू सीन दैट? So
Yes,
that is
ma'am.
the same thing done with the metal. It has been rolled into one or more pairs so that its thickness can be uniform and it can be reduced. Right? Then forging आपने देखा होगा कैसे जब कारखानों पे काम किया जाता है, लेबर जहाँ पे मैनुअल लेबर लगी होती है, they put a hammer on the iron to break it. Yes, to shape it accordingly. So when you are blowing with the help of hammer, that is called forging. So he, after moving in the forest, after being tirelessly walking for some point, for some distance, he reaches Ramshaw Iron Works. And there he notices that all this work was going on in the furnace or in the factory. Right? Now, what happens? That in Ramshaw Iron Works, he is recognized as somebody else. Means nobody recognized that he is a rat trap seller. Usko koi aur samajh lete hain. And he is welcomed at Ramshaw Iron Works. Right? So big bellows shoveling the charcoal into the maw of the furnace. Maw kya hota hai? Muh, jo opening hoti hai. Yes, where the furnace or where the things are added, coal is added to increase the heat. Yes, big bellows are also kind of furnace. So what is this? Iron master means the owner of Ramsjo Iron Works approaches the mill. Yes, now the story is moving on further. अब forest से वो कहाँ पहुंचा था? Rat trap seller. He approached. He reached Ramsjo Iron Works. अब Ramsjo Iron Works पे कौन मिलता है उसे? मोहित, read बेटा.
Okay. Iron Master arrives at the mill, mistakes the tramp to be his regimental comrade Nils Olaf.
Olaf.
Invited him to his manor house. Vagabond refused, thinking that it would be like voluntarily throwing himself into the lion's den, worried about the 30 Connor.
Yes. So what happens? Now the Iron Master, who is the owner of Ramsjo Iron Works, approaches them. At that, because it was night and Rat Trap seller was moving there, loitering there. So this Iron Master assumes the Rat Trap seller to be his old acquaintance, Nils Olaf. Nils Olaf. Yes. So now he invites him to his manor house. Manor house क्या होता है? What is a manor house? Manor house. What is a manor house?
Ma'am, the house where the master is living.
नहीं, manor house is a house which is having a lot of land around it. आपने देखा फार्म हाउसेस जिसमें बड़ी बहुत ज्यादा लैंड होती है आसपास, ट्रीज, फॉरेस्ट लाइक एरिया, ग्रास, दैट इज कॉल्ड मेनर हाउस. यस चिरांश.
मैम ये वाले एक और बार बता दो कि जब वो मतलब जो मिल का जो मतलब ओनर होता है वो उधर आता है तो मैम फिर क्या होता है?
When he reaches there, then Iron Master जो मिल का ओनर होता है वो आता है. मिल का ओनर रैट ट्रैप सेलर को देख के ये नहीं समझता कि ये कोई चोर है, वो उसको गलती से क्या समझ लेता है? अपना दोस्त निल्स ओलॉफ. And then he invites him to his manor house. Yes, and the vagabond refused. Abhi this person refused. The rat trap seller refused. Why? Why did he refuse? Why
Ma'am,
did he
because we
refuse?
want to exit the forest.
डर लग रहा
He
था.
wanted to leave the forest as early as possible. अगर वो यहाँ जाता है इनके पास, तो police will be able to catch him easily. Yes, that's why he says that if I'm going there voluntarily, means with my own will, then I am going to throw myself in the lion's den. Lion's den refers to I am giving everyone a chance to get hold of me. I'll be easily caught. So he's worried about the money that he had stolen. सबको अब तक स्टोरी समझ आई है? अक्षर, चिरांश, मोहित.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
So now let us move further. Now this iron mill owner, Iron Master, is having a daughter, Adla Wilmenson. Adla Wilmenson. She arrives to the place, the iron mill, to take her father home. Okay, to take her father home. So now the rat trap seller, when he meets this girl, he is afraid. And this girl also thinks that this man doesn't look like a comrade. He's so afraid, as if he has stolen something or he has escaped from jail. So with the appearance, the girl is a little doubtful. But because her father is really adamant that no, he's Nils Olof, so she means agrees to it, thinking that the man must be having a hard time. So now, Akshat, read these dialogues. Firstly, Edla Wilmanson, then Rat Trap Seller. Akshat. Akshat, are you there? No, Akshat is not responding. Chiransh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, read
I
this
am
part.
sorry, Captain, that you are having a hard time. Please stay with us over Christmas Eve. You will be allowed to leave us just freely as you came. It never occurred to me that you would bother with me yourself. I will came at once. Her friendly manner gave confidence to Rat Trap Peddler.
Now, what happens? That initially, when the Iron Master asks this rat trap peddler to move with him, to come with him to the manor house, he refuses. And then he moves home and he tells his daughter about all these things. That there is a rat trap, there is my friend Nils Olof, and he's having very hard time, and that he is not looking like his old personality. He's looking like a beggar. But I requested him to come with me to my house for the Christmas, but still he refused. Now the daughter says that, okay, I'll go, and I'll request the man to come along with us and celebrate the festival with us. So then she comes with a carriage. She requests the man that I'm sorry that you had a hard time these days. Please stay with us for the Christmas Eve, and we will not force you to stay with us for more time than this. Now, the rat trap seller is really very influenced by the persuasive attitude of the girl, that the girl doesn't know me still, how polite, how empathetic she is to look after me. So he thinks about it that it has never occurred to me that anyone would bother about me. So he decides that okay, he will go with Edla Wilmanson. Her friendly manner gave confidence to the rat trap peddler that he's going to be safe in the house of Iron Master. Now you will see the twist in the story. Mohit, read.
Yes, ma'am. The stranger was now truly clean and well dressed. The valet had bathed him, cut his hair, and shaved him. He was dressed in a good-looking clothes of Iron Master. I might have made a
Yes.
mistake.
Now, what happens? The moment he is taken to the home to give him a new look because he was not well dressed, he was not having his shave and all. So the stranger was now made to be cleaned and dressed up. So the valet is the one who parks the car or who takes the things to the restaurant, means the servant. Yes, the caretaker of the house was given the job to cut his hair, give him a bath, and shave him. Now, when he came up in his true picture after that shaving and all, then the Iron Master realized that he is not Neil Soloff. He's somebody else. Yes, then he realized that he was not my friend Nils Olof. He's somebody else. And that's why he realizes that I have made a mistake. I have put a wrong man in my house. Yes. Now, he even says to the rat trap seller that whatever you did was not quite honest. You did not reveal your identity, that you are not Nils Olof. And then the rat trap seller again gives his philosophy. The whole world is a big rat trap, Mr. Iron Master. One day you will also be caught in this trap. Yes. So now the Iron Master thinks that this man is insane. He is a little mad. But his daughter again convinces that the man is not having any ill will. So let us give him the chance to spend the Christmas evening with us. Then I'll ask him myself to leave the place. So now see this conversation. Who read this? Chiransh, I think you read the previous one, na?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
Mohit read it.
Ma'am, I read.
हाँ तो अक्षत, आर यू देयर? अक्षत कुछ नहीं रिस्पॉन्स कर रहा. अक्षत, अक्षत सो गए. चिरांश बेटा रीड. अक्षत सो ही गया.
Yes, ma'am. He
Hmm.
walks alone the whole year, always afraid of being arrested. He is not welcome anywhere. I would like him to enjoy a day, just one day, the whole year. We ought not chase away a human being. We ask him to come. We promise Christmas cheer. I I only hope you won't have on regret this.
Yes, now this is the conversation regarding the rat trap seller that is going on between Edla and her father. Now the girl says, when the father shares this thing with the girl, that the rat trap means the person is not Neil Soloff, then the girl justifies that okay, he is not Neil Soloff, but he is very alone. He has nobody to call his own in the whole world. And he has not been accompanied, or he has not taken any shelter because he fears that he will be arrested. Yes. So I promise that he will be enjoying the Christmas Eve with us. So that's why we are going to keep him for a day. We are not going to put any human being out of our house on the auspicious day of Christmas. I have promised him for a Christmas Eve celebration. That's why we are going to celebrate Christmas with him. Now the Iron Master agrees, but at the same time he says, I hope your goodwill is not going to be cheated by this man, that you are not going to regret your decision. Whatever you are saying about this man, he comes to the true point of your expectation. So on this note, the father and the daughter decide that the man will be asked to leave the house only after Christmas celebrations are over. Yes, is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let us move to the next part of the story. The suit is a Christmas present. Now the girl even when the rat trap seller knows that his identity has been revealed, that he is not Neil Soloff, he is very disappointed that now he will not be uh, allowed to stay in the house. But when the girl approaches with a Christmas present, yes, then the man actually has a change of heart. Here, from this point, the change of heart begins. So, Mohit, read this part.
Okay. The suit is a Christmas present. You can spend next Christmas Eve here and rest in peace. You are welcome back again.
Yes. So now the girl even says that this is a suit for you, a Christmas present, and I even invite you to come to us on the next Christmas. Yes, and we will be welcoming you as well at that time. Now, at church, so you must have seen on Christmas Eve, the Christians go to church, yes, to worship, to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. So now the Christians have assembled there. Now a twist is going to approach, that the old crofter, I hope you remember that old crofter,
Yes, ma'am.
Edla Wilmanson and her father are going to meet that old crofter, and he is going to give the description of the rat trap seller who stole his 30 kronors. Now see this at church. Yes. Now, in the meantime, they have gone to church. The rat trap seller goes away. Now, this is the letter that he has left. Chiranj, nahi, Mohit, read beta.
Okay. Honored and noble miss, since you have been so nice to me all day long, as if I was a captain, I want to be twice to you. In return, as if I was a real captain, for I do not want you to be embarrassed at the Christmas seasons by a thief. But you can give back the money to the old man on his roadside, or on the old man on the roadside, who has the money pouch hanging on the window frame as a bait for poor wanderers. The rat trap
Wanderers.
is wanderers. The rat trap is a Christmas present from a rat who would have been caught in this world rat trap if he had not raced to the captain, because in that way he got power to clear himself. Written with friendship and high regret, Captain Von Stable.
Tell.
Stay.
Tell. Yes. Now, this letter, we will talk about this letter at the end when we have reached the conclusion. So, in the meantime, the girl and her father have approached the church. The man has written this letter and he has left. So, we'll talk about this letter's importance at the end of the
Excuse
chapter,
me,
right?
ma'am.
Yes, Chiranj.
हमें लेटर किसने लिखा था?
The rat trap seller had written this letter. He had signed that
मतलब वो
letter as
पार्टी में नहीं
captain.
आया, उसने बस लेटर लिख दिया.
पार्टी में नहीं गया, वो चर्च नहीं गया उनके साथ. He is there at home only. He was resting in his room. The father and the daughter have gone to church.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and that's why he has written the letter as Captain Von Stahl. Niels Olof का जो नाम था ना, he was having this kind of name to be known, right? Now, acha, this thing is not given. Now what happens? The old crofter, I'll tell you the rest of the story. The old crofter reveals the thing to Adla Wilmanson and her father, that an old rat trap seller came to my house. I shared porridge with him. I told him everything about myself, my life, and I even told him how I used to earn money for my survival. I told him the place where I used to keep the pouch hanging for helping the people who were in need of money. But the man has stolen my 30 kronors and left. So now Edla Wilmanson and her father came to know about the appearance of the man. And this appearance that the crofter describes is matching the appearance of the person who was brought by Adla Wilmanson to the home. Now the father says, I hope everything at our home is safe, that the thief has not stolen, because they come to know that the rat trap seller was a thief. His identity was something else. He did not tell his identity initially, so they were already suspicious. Yes. So Edla Wilmanson regrets that she did not listen to her father. But at the same time, she says, no, no, he will not be doing anything. And if he does so, then it is a part of our destiny. We can't change it. At least we were good to him. We asked him, we requested him to have Christmas celebration with us. so that he is not feeling all alone. So when the father and the daughter rush back to the house, then they find this letter written by the rat trap seller for Edla Wilmanson, that you have been so nice to me all day long, and as if I was a captain, means you treated me as a captain, as an acquaintance. I want to be nice to you. So the niceness means the amiability that you showed to me. I want to show the same thing to you, same generosity to you, as if I was a real captain. For I do not want you to be embarrassed, because I do not want you to feel embarrassed that you helped the wrong man, that you are cheated by a thief. But I still want to accept that you can give the money to the old man on the roadside. So he describes that you can give back the money to the old man who stays on the roadside, who hangs the money in the pouch on the window frame as a bait for poor wanderers. Why he calls it as a bait? Because he was caught in the same trap. Now he philosophizes, he concludes his philosophy that you are the one because of whom I am able to come out of this rat trap of possessions. The rat trap, now he leaves a present also for the girl. Chiransh, I'll take your doubt, beta. The rat trap, he leaves a present. This present is a rat trap. Now he says that this rat trap is a present from a rat. Who is the rat here? Who is the rat here?
Rat trap, the rat trap seller.
Yes, the rat trap seller. That you have saved a rat from being caught in the world's rat trap of possession, because you gave him the status of a captain. You gave him the respect owed to a captain. So the way, the empathy, sympathy, the kindness that you showed to me has changed my perspective, has changed my understanding, and has helped me to come out of this rat trap. So that's why this is a gift for you, and I'm returning the money, written with friendship and high regard for you, Captain Von Stahl. This is the original name. Captain he has added, but it is Von Stahl. Right? And now Chiransh, ask your doubt.
मैम लेटर में एक ही लिखा है कि but you can give back the money to the old man on the roadside.
ये क्रॉफ्टर के लिए कहा है ना, you can return the money to the crofter.
मैम पर वो क्यों कहेगा मैम, असलियत में तो उसके ने लिए थे.
नहीं, वो मनी वहां पे छोड़ गया है कि मैं ये मनी यहाँ पे छोड़ के जा रहा हूँ. I can't meet that man, I can't look into his eyes. You can return the money to that man on my behalf.
मैम मतलब ये उस घर में लेटर के साथ वो मनी छोड़ गया, और जिनका घर
लेटर के साथ रैट ट्रैप, हाँ, और मनी छोड़ गया. एंड नाउ ही रिक्वेस्टेड द गर्ल टू रिटर्न दैट मनी टू द क्रॉफ्टर.
ओके मैम.
ओके, आई होप इट इज क्लियर. Akshat, Mohit, Chiransh, yes. So this is the story of rat trap, that how the man is able to come out of the trap of being caught in the possessions the moment he returns the money. That burden that was there on his mind all the time, that he has stolen something that was helpful to another man, has been waived off the moment he returns the money to the girl. Right? Yes, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, if your exams are not going on, then please do read the chapter before the next class so that we can talk about it. Okay, the character analysis and the rest of the things in the critical part we will discuss in the next class. Yes, Mohit?
मैम ये चैप्टर खत्म हो गया क्या?
जी, the chapter is over.
So मैम
The man
जिनको तो बताया नहीं